good people. We thank Baba God for another day. Baba God don say allow us see another day. Today, I go to talk about Chelsea. As everybody is saying, so for 2 seasons, everybody they banter Chelsea. Chelsea, this, that. Chelsea, they give players 8-year contract, 9 years, 10 years. Everybody they banter them. But now, even with what their coach they talk, with what their players they talk, Chelsea they title race. As it stands, Chelsea just get 4 points from top position. They second now for league. Even though say Liverpool get game in hand, nobody go fit deny the fact Chelsea don't play very well this season. Because not be everybody go fit go Tottenham Hotspur Stadium, come from 2 goals down, win the match the way they win am. They win am very well. They be the best team that they even if Tottenham start the match very well. But nobody go fit deny the fact that Chelsea they very good. For their conference league, even if people they talk say teams when they meet not be big teams, they don't do very well. So you not get anybody go fit talk and Chelsea the title race. They among the favourites to win the league. That one when you're the questionable. Everybody they see the way they play. They get a very large score. Their first team they very good, their second team they very good. So they get the chance to fit they rotate players. Look their conference league now. They're entirely different team and they used to they play that one. And they win. Win 5-0, 6-0, 4. They score a lot of goals because they get good attacking talents. The players on the click. Don't get the new manager now, make it click them together, make it bring that unity. Not be all those things when they do last season. You go see everybody with a jack up in 90. You they get me? No. Unity day. The team. They play as a team. They only play individual football. You they get me? So they did very well. So nobody go fit dispute the fact. So they be league favorite. Yesterday, I watched the match. I don't go lie. I did convinced. On the other side, we still talk the red half of London, the Arsenal. To me, Arsenal never ready to win this league. Team wey don ready to win league, I believe say their manager go still ready to dey make bold decision. Because you no fit expect say one of your best central midfielder this season, you comot am for a best position, go dey play am for right back. Why? No be by to dey pack youth players put for bench. You get the courage to use them. See Guardiola now. If Guardiola no get that courage to use Rico Lewis, anybody go know say Rico Lewis is good like this. No matter as Foden don drop in form, Guardiola get the courage. When they sell Silva that time, the receiver, when he contract expire, when he come out, Guardiola come and say he no dey buy any replacement. The replacement are Foden. But Foden don't repay that faith when the manager get for the body now. Nobody go fit deny say even if the guy they play badly this season, poorly this season, nobody fit deny say from that time till now, Foden don dey excellently well. Tell me why Arteta as a manager yesterday you get left back for bench, even if na youngster, why you no fit play? Now to they play them for preseason up and down. They play them for preseason, they give you, they play very well. The time don't reach to use them now, you know go they use them. You will they play players out of position, they unbalance your team. For the full left side of Arsenal, from the defense to the attack yesterday, no left footer. So it's the unbalanced team. Manager will not get courage to make tough decisions no matter to be manager. When Odegaard injured that time, the team they cry for Waneri, play Waneri. You know good player, you they fold, you they go back. See Anana, you know good player, but now you they talk say you say Smith Rowe and Vieira because Waneri was ready. You say the guy already. Player, you know good player. To me, Arsenal know the title race because their manager know they serious, you know they bold enough to make tough decisions. Now just Chelsea, Liverpool, and Man City. I see they believe, I see they talk. Man City will come back. Man City not fit end up like this because they do that thing. Once they go on one kind run now, they win. They don't go stop to the win. Maybe they use that this Man City team now. If they win 2 games in a row now, it don't finish. It don't just finish. Football a very strange sport. You dey understand, so nobody know wetin go fit happen. I no go lie, this season one of the team wey don impress me this season na Chelsea. I no expect wetin I dey see from them at all. They dey play very well and when the season start, the pressure no your day for their body at all. Everybody not expect anything for them. So now the way that they perform, they even they shock everybody. So to me, now them I see the tip. Say as it stand now, they did the title race. Nobody go fit dispute the fact say Chelsea no the title race. To me, say that been one of the best things. They don't balance. They get very good players. But I just feel say when the time goes start to be tough now, because now everybody play expansive football. Now when all those smaller teams now, though they know see the big relegation, everybody gonna play low block, and then the wahala one day how to open all those low block defense and all that. But so far, I didn't impress with Chelsea. This now they just this game week so major pass so now they in favor and people on do.